Good morning. So today is the start of a new adventure. But first, I would like to invite you to visit Baxby LDG Space Rentals. And now open at Baxby LDG, we have the Island Bar, ANZ Rice Trading, DXN Store, Queen's Laundry Shop, and soon, Table Tennis Sports Center. Bintag. Alas 2:40 na. Alas 12 pa ni sulod dere. Alas 2:40 na naman ang processing sa motor. So pag kumanbayad sa ato ang motor, direta magpatatak sa Coast Guard.
214, window 11.
Ports Authority, mga almost 2 hours na dere. Dugay. So pagkaman sa Port Authority, balik na dere cargo and measuring section. Okay. Dari snake ano? Kare?
Pwede po din sa gilid, o na may truck nito.
Okay. Sir, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Sir, thank you sir. Thank you. So pag abot sa Iloilo Port, nagkuha ta gate pass para sa motor para kahawa ka dere. Okay. Balik lang ko. December 13, natadiri karon sa Iloilo. Sa Montenegro, ugma ko mularga. So, mao ni akong sakyan, Estrella del Mar. Formerly Milagrosa. Okay, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Documentary lang. Hello. Ako pa nga. So, morning pa ito. Princess Bea. Parang So mga kalabasa, Badoong Palawan eh, Kuyo. Palawan yan eh. Nagkakong bugas oh. So, pero kasi stock kayo ng kaya apple juice oh, paborito na ako. Pwede ito. So ang makina, gwapo ang makina pero ang body ang dipintahan. Hello. Tara. Yes, sir. Hello, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, sir. Relax kaya po mga amigo diri oh. Yes, sir. Yun ang sino third floor. Saka dito dyan. So, ito siya itong mga captains. Drive-ban sa barko. Larga na to, sir.
Medyo na ito paglakaw na ito ba?
Ha?
Medyo na ito paglakaw.
Ikaw. Pinabidyo man ako na yun, magbiyahe ko kay para lumimdans lang good. Wala untay, gwapo unta ang ano, dagat karong panahon na.
I-post ni mo na, tanaw ko.
O sige. Kay katong pero pag uli pa na ako ni ma-post. Ay. Unta mayo ang biyahe na to ba? Ang Karangkuyo to Palawan mo yung
Lagi.
murag karang cross ka dra may mouth og ano.
So yung page mo.
First time nimo sa unsa gini pangalan ning barko sir?
Sa Australia.
Australia. Kay Montenegro man imong gisakyan natin no?
Oo.
Mabalaan nimo karon unsay diferensya nila. Ang nakanindot las Montenegro kay murag mas dako-dako siya no?
Oo niya, basta food ka kayo yun.
Kari gamay. Ako ikaduhan ako ni Milagrosa pa ni siya dati. Palirunon gyud siya balod. Palirunon og balod.
Dagat gano'n dito, neither buhaya.
Saltwater kani, saltwater crocodile. Tuiga tulo na. Pakli yung padong siguro nagsibo. As usual, stop there sa Kuyo Island. So ato to sa town kay magkaon. Mingaw karong Kuyo Island. Ang last time nga nako diri daghan nga tugtawo. Mingaw siya. Wala pahiga. Diskarga og mga goods. Agustin Parish. 16th century yun o. Ano, 1622, St. Augustine Parish. Come on. Salamat. So, PCBSI. Pagkatapos sa PCBSI, dito tayo sa PPA. Pag naog ni diri sa Puerto Princesa na pa kay mga balayaran di ay. Oh my God. Speed. Akong tuhod sakit. Bahala na. Balik sakit tuhod. Basta kalaag. Puerto Princesa City. Guni Hostel. Parking na to diri atong motor. Stay sa drive 1 to 2 nights para makarelax ug makaligo. Ay, hello, napay vacant nga room.
Naroon po.
Oh, ay, yung dormitory lang. Yung may curtain. Yung may curtain. Ah, sige. Ay, dito. Thank you. Hello. Good afternoon. May vacant po kayo na yung may curtain, ma'am. Yung may curtain, God. Yung may curtain. O bed na may cortina. Ay, ganda yun. 600 ang gabi eh. Kasi kagalingan na rin. CR, niliguan na. May mga locker. So again, tag 600 ang gabi eh dari. Yung mga tana mo. Guni hostel. Tara. Yeah. Muna ito ang higdaanan. Pasigaw na to. Ayun, oh. So, may charging. Good morning. Iwahig and Prison Penal Court. Sir, pwede magtanong? Saan po? Sabsaban Falls? Diretso lang to? Malayo pa? Lapit na lang? Salamat, salamat. So we are here at Brooks Point. Stop by ta diri sa ilang waterfalls, Sabsaban Falls daw kami.
Masarap dito, boss. Bisaya po?
Bisaya, taga Mindanao. Ano ko, kuan? Batarasa.
Oh, yun. Anong kong target nyo sa Batarasa?
Subukan ko makasakay papunta Balabak.
Balabak?
Oh.
Dito na lang kayo magdiretso sa Buliluyan.
Galing sa Malaysia na sigarilyo. So ito
Import.
na ang pruweba na gagawa na talaga ng beer sa ano yun?
Balabak. Buliluyan.
Di, sa ano yun? Buliluyan Port. Magiging gateway to Malaysia and soon Southeast Asia na. Yun. So we're finally here. This is Buliluyan Port. Southern tip of mainland Palawan. Pero ugma na ta magtan-aw dere, Coast Guard no. So this is Buliluyan Port here in the municipality of Batarasa. Soon this port will be the gateway to Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Islands here in Balabac, Pattaya Island. Mura mag San Victor. Ay, joke lang. So, tisti na to glibot ang kuan. Less tourist. May mga turista. Relax. Sikod sa isla. Pero CR damage. So as you can see, this you can see, dili kay dako siya nga island. Pwede ra nimo malibot. Di maabtag sa oras. As you can see, may mga camping na camp tent na daan for overnight camping. Grupo natin dito.
Sir, pakita mo yung mga itlog dyan ang mga
pakita natin sa
itlog ng Auschwitz. Itlog ng Maranao.
Sure, good sir. Ganyan siya, quail's egg, no? Ito ang kuha natin, may crabs pa, oh. Unlimited rice. Rice all you can, no? Siyempre, may palayan ang Palawan. Dapat lang rice all you can.
Rice all you can.
Pineapple din kasi kapital ng pineapple ang
Batarasa.
Batarasa, pineapple all you can din, oh. Grabe. I'm going to take a video of my trip. So our new friends here from the Netherlands. Your name, sir?
Dan.
And ma'am? Lexi. Hi. I'm from Spain.
Spain, Alicia.
And Deutschland.
Yeah.
Germany.
Germany.
Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to the Philippines. And our handsome Tour guide. Mac Mac. Would you like a Big Mac, sir?
Tangkahan Island.
And then next sa atong base camp, no?
Base camp, Siksikan Island.
Siksikan Island. Okay, 45 minutes dere sa atong second nga island. Isa't kalahating oras? Papunta sa pika? Kabila?
Oo.
Good ay. Aga po. Joyride ba? The geese. What do you think so far of this expedition?
That's wonderful.
Really?
Paradise.
No. What do you think of our ride getting here? Was it a
Nice.
smooth?
Yeah, it was okay.
Right. It's
Everyone
okay?
was taking a nap, but it was nice.
Everyone was tired because
Not
we
having any vertigo or something?
No.
No?
No vertigo. No seasickness.
No, nothing.
was tired.
Yeah, just tired.
Seafaring nation, the Netherlands, so
Yeah.
no worries. 5-star hotel.
Sir, saan ka?
Ay, hello. 13 daw. 13. 13. Hello.
13. Tingnan mo lang muna dyan sa dulo, sir.
What room do you have?
13. 13. So
This is
6, 8.
I think.
I'm going there. 13th. Friday the 13th. No, 13th. The last one is 12. No!
I was thinking of you.
13 is outside.
Sir,
Ako na yung trefan. Sige.
dito yung saksakan.
Pwede man usa dali lang ibutang sa gawas na?
Ah,
So as you can see karing island dire atong base camp dire sa Balabac. Dili lang siya resort kundi na siya kaugalingon nga community. Pasulod na ta sa community. Nag-share ang resort nato dire og komunidad dire sa Balabac. Sila manok talisay. Sila kahay, ano sa man ni? Tara, mo ni siya. Ano yung produkto dere? Shell. Kasoy man siguro ni. Komunidad. Community na to. Sir, magandang umaga. Malapit na lang sir kung paikot ka. Malapit na lang kung ikutin mo ang buong isla. Oh. Asan mas malapit? Ikutin ko o pabalik?
Mas malapit.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year! So mas malapit daw dito. So as you can see, within this island there is a community, some kind of a fisherman's village. So na yung mga equipments nila pang fishing. Gandang umaga sir. Island. Mukha siyang subdivision ba? Local subdivision. Nice kayo lang mga houses made out of lubi. Kahoy o garing paluwas lubi. Yung view biya. Ito po ang harvest nila. Ang sarap. Yun. Sir, salamat sir ha. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Healthy. We are back in base camp and we have officially circumnavigate this entire island.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ready for our next expedition?
Oh yes, I want to see a turtle.
You want to see
My
turtle?
goal for today is see a turtle.
That's your goal for today.
Yes, I hope
What
I
else?
won't- Having fun, some snorkeling, chilling on the beach, and enjoy the sun. The last
Yes.
days in Philippines.
It's your last day in the Philippines, but
No,
you still have...
on Monday fly home.
Okay.
Only 4 or 5 days.
You guys keep coming back, huh?
Yes, sure.
Welcome to Starfish Island, ma'am.
Welcome, thank you. Very
You-
nice
You
place.
invite your Spanish friends to come to the Philippines.
Yeah, I have to. because I'm not speaking really good English, but I'm enjoying a lot.
So this is Starfish Island here in Balabac. This will be our first stop of our trip today. So, look. Hello. So how's the trip for you so far?
Perfecto. The trip is very nice. We like everything.
Cheers.
Tagay para sa tagumpay.
Ah, you speak it really good. Wow.
Tagalog.
You must be a how do you say it? Polyglot? Polyglot. Yeah,
polyglot.
yeah. So we are going to take a tour around Onok Island. Okay. This is Onok Island. So, may basketball court. Oh, fancy meeting you. Hello. We could circle the entire island in less than 30 minutes.
A what?
I think it serves as a barrier for
Oh, for the
strong
water.
That's why they built it.
It looks like a butterfly.
Ah, yeah.
See?
Nice.
Okay, this is wonderful place. I think it's the best one island we're gonna visit, yeah?
Yeah, the tour guide told me that this would be the crown jewel of this expedition.
Party on the boat with water.
Do you think this island would be better if this was our base camp?
It's a base camp too.
Yeah, it's a base camp from a different agency, I think.
Yeah, I think some agencies do like base camp every day in a different place, not in the same one all the time.
Because there are tents on the island,
Yeah,
places you could stay for overnight.
wonderful base camp. Well, where we are is okay as well.
True.
They like. Not here, I just only see the water.
Okay. Are you sure that was dynamite fishing?
Well, he told me,
Oh, really? Oh. Shit.
the guy.
So,
I say in Spain is because you kill all the fishes there.
and the
And after when we
corals
was,
too.
yeah, everything. And when we was arriving, you see it's a lot of birds there, so it was for sure.
Dynamite fishing.
Yeah, because the birds come to eat fish.
That's not a good news.
No. That's in danger.
So we are here at Mansalangan Sandbar. Hello.
Lovely.
Lovely? Which sandbar do you prefer, the yesterday or this one?
I have to try this one, yes, but
Yeah.
it looks quite bigger. I think it will be a lot of fishes around here.
Today is a little bit hotter too.
Yeah.
No, stings. The sun stings. Sandbar. Punta Sibaring, Balabac, Palawan. Look at this.
It's lunch o'clock.
Yes, it's already lunch. Yes.
Should we film you?
No, I'm good.
No, you also have to be seen.
Okay. So we're here at, what's the name of this island again?
Somewhere at Balabac.
Somewhere in Balabac, and look at it.
Yes, amazing.
This is Alex Garland's Peebled the Beach.
The
Now,
beach.
it's not in Thailand, but here in the Philippines.
The place to be. And
Yeah.
what do you love most about this island?
Fine sand, good food, good quality of friends. Right now, yes.
Best people in the world.
Look, it's the coconut girl.
The coconut. Amazing.
You have to come into the water.
Coconut girl, are you also German?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. Okay. And you are best of both worlds, Turkish and German.
Yes,
Yeah.
Turkish but living in Germany.
Yeah. You have a big grin.
Come again?
A grin.
Are we going to play basketball tonight again?
Yes! Let's play so we could get tired and
Or-
build appetite and sleep. I sleep better when I'm tired.
Yes, I think we did the best yesterday.
Yeah.
Showering after dinner and then going directly sleeping.
I'm going to ask you a question. Is this the finest sand that we visited on the store? Look, it looked like shit.
I did the same.
Look, pellets.
That's the same. But it's the crabs doing those little balls and
Oh.
just throwing them away.
What a waste of energy. Right?
That's really waste of energy.
They don't think, they just do. Audience.
The audience?
People back at home, Germany, Turkey.
But it feels really soft though. And also you're sinking like in when you're walking, when you're stepping on the sand, it's like going in.
Soft enough to make a snow angel. In this case,
A
sand
sand
angel.
angel?
Yes.
Do you think it will work?
I think so.
Yeah? Let me give it a try.
No, not this. On the dry area. Make an art Let's see if Da Vinci would be proud of it.
Maybe we can do it after lunch.
Yes, true. Okay,
Yes.
after lunch. You can't do it there, it's wet. But here, yes.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, that
Mhm.
will definitely work.
No, they started without us. What can you say about that? They started without us. Curse in German.
Come again?
Cursed in German because they started without us.
I don't curse.
You cursed a lot yesterday.
I don't curse. I don't curse. Girls don't curse.